Today's recipe is a quick and easy homemade pizza made with sliced bread. It's perfect for those times when you want something warm, cheesy, and satisfying without spending too much time in the kitchen. Hi, my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noella Creations. Begin by placing a sliced bread on a plate. Apply butter on it. This recipe is perfect when you want something quick. No kneading, no waiting for the dough to rise. Just simple ingredients that work beautifully together. Flip it. Next, apply tomato sauce. Next, we will place grated cheese on it. Then we will place diced onion, tomato and capsicum on it. Then sprinkle little black pepper powder, oregano, and chili flakes. Place a pan on low flame. Once it's heated slightly, place the pizza on it, cover it and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes on low flame. Whenever I feel like eating pizza but don't have time to make the dough, this is the quick version I like to make at home. And it's ready. Look at that, the cheese has melted beautifully and the bread is slightly crisp. Simple ingredients but the flavor is so satisfying. This is not a restaurant pizza. This is the kind of quick homemade pizza you make when cravings hit. Quick, simple and honestly so good. Sometimes the easiest recipes are the most enjoyable. If you enjoyed this quick pizza idea, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more simple homemade recipes. Try this at home and tell me about your favorite toppings in the comments. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always. Thanks for watching.